In this video, we're going to show you how to quickly and easily install an acoustic panel. First, locate the Z-clips that are included with your order. If you need them, a link is below in the description. Place the Z-clip in the center of the panel. If you have a 2-foot wide panel, a set of 4 clips will be included. Install these on the outside corner of the inner frame of the panel. The Z-clips interlock together, just like this. To install the clip, first, you're going to want to locate the center point on the back side of the panel. Mark your center point where you want to install your panel Z-clip. Once you have that done, you're going to want to use 1.5 inch to 2 inch screws and go ahead and screw on your Z-clip based upon the marks that you've already made on the panel. Next, you can figure out where you want to place the panel on the wall. First, you're going to want to make your vertical reference measurement on the wall. Next, you're going to want to make your horizontal reference measurement onto the wall. Once you have those spots marked, go ahead and take your clip and screw it onto the wall based upon where you have your marks. A great tip is to use a level when installing the second screw onto the Z-clip. The finished wall Z-clip should be strong and secure. You can use anchors if you would like. Next, just pop your panel right onto the clip and it will snap right into place. Don't forget, we offer multiple color options and custom frame finish options directly on our website.